Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini, air sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. I started Hindi channel exclusively for Hindi people. Good Energy Tarot Hindi. I will give link in the description box. Please do watch for Hindi readings. And do subscribe, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Gemini air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on, Gemini? Nine of Cups and Eight of Cups. So what I'm getting here, your wishes are going to be granted. There is wish fulfillment. You want to leave behind everything which doesn't serve you anymore or anyone. Yes, you want to leave behind negativity, all the things, and you want to focus on your wishes. Definitely there is some wish fulfillment is coming towards you. Your wishes are going to be granted. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Swords and Three of Swords. So there was a breakup between you and your person. For some, you are heartbroken in past. There is some truth. You came to know about your person maybe or something or someone, about someone. So that's why you are heartbroken. But things started turning into your favor, Wheel of Fortune. Yes, in recent past, you were hurt, but you started healing because things started moving into your favor. Then present, the Tower, Eight of Wands and Seven of Pentacles. But still you are waiting. Still you are waiting on your person. Still you have hopes on them. Seven of Pentacles energy. For some, your person always keep putting you on waiting mode. Eight of Wands and the Tower. So yeah, you are missing them badly. This is a Tower moment for you. Without that person, without your person, and there is some communication is going to be happen between you and your person. Eight of Wands. There is some movement in this connection. There is some progress will come in this connection. If you are waiting for your person communication, definitely there is a chance for communication because Eight of Wands is here. There will be some movement. And future energies, Page of Swords, Nine of Swords and Two of Swords. Yes, they are watching you. They are wondering you. Page of Swords. They are watching you on social media. And Nine of Swords. But you are missing them a lot. You are stuck. You are feeling stuck. You are feeling anxiety. Two of Swords. You are very indecisive about to make some decision. You feeling indecisive to make some decision. You are at some crossroads right now, Gemini. You have to make some decision, but you are unable to make right now. Maybe one part of you want to move on from this person, but you are not unable to move on. That's why you are at some crossroads. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Lord of Air energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you, Gemini. First we will see your person feelings. Lot of cards. I am not taking any of these because lot of cards. Their feelings, Gemini. Another deck, Five of Cups. Yes, Your person feeling sad, but they are not showing it. They are not showing that they are sad. They are showing that they are okay, they are happy. Right now, your person focusing on their career, concentrating on the self growth, because Queen of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and the Star. Yes, they're missing you, but not showing. And they want to forget this pain. Maybe they want to heal themselves. That's why they're more concentrating on their career. Queen of Pentacles, right now they're only focusing on their work. Yes, they're feeling sad, but not showing. And the Star, so they want to heal themselves. They want to see something positive in this situation, but they're feeling very, very sad. So let's see their intentions. Gemini, their intentions. Yes, right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, some transformation, because the Star with Hermit, right now maybe they're recognizing your worth. Maybe in past there is no equal give and take. Your person may be in and out of your life. And another deck, Ten of Pentacles, stability. They're thinking about stability. So their intentions towards you is they want to communicate with you. Eight of Wands, definitely you will receive communication. They will call you or message you very soon. For some it will take so much time. For some it take very less time, depending upon your situation. Depending upon how you feel. If you feel positive, if you feel energized, then it will take very less time. But if you feel depressed, if you feel thinking about him negatively, then it will take so much time. It depends. Everything is about energy and vibration. So Eight of Wands, definitely they want to communicate with you, their intention. And Six of Pentacles, they want to offer equal give and take. And the Hermit, yes, they are undergoing some spiritual awakening. Maybe right now they are not showing you any emotions, like they're missing you, but they're thinking about you. They're recognizing the connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lord of Earth energy, the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. Ace of Cups, there is love between both of you, because these are the mutual cards. Nine of Wands, Ace of Swords, Five of Swords, and Knight of Wands. I think one person is guarded in this connection. It could be you, because you are focusing on yourself, Gemini. But there is communication with clarity is coming. Ace of Swords, truth coming out. But there are a lot of disturbances, lot of fighting between you and your person. Five of Swords, energy, and Knight of Wands. Yes, they are still attracted to you. They want to come back. Maybe for some there are trust issues also, because they are in and out of your life. You have no trust on them. The mutual card, Ten of Wands with the Lovers. Yeah, it is becoming hard work for both of them. It is for both of you. It is becoming overburden for both of you. Yeah, there is love, but there is no equal give and take, guys. That's why it is become burden for both of you, because only one person always taking care of this relationship. It is not going to anywhere, because Six of Pentacles is here. Maybe your person thinking about to offer equal give and take to this connection. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Gemini. Yes, you are thinking about them. Still, you also want reconciliation. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Yeah, they're ready to offer their cup of love to you. There is love. And yes, maybe this time your person really serious about you. They want to work on this relationship. In past, for some, this could be the third party situation also involved. For some, not all. So let's see your person overall energy, Gemini. Ten of Swords. Yes, they want rebirth in this connection. Page of Pentacles, communication. They want to communicate with you. They want to say apology if they did hurt you in past. Yes, communication. Now they recognize that you both are soulmates. Now they're feeling that you are their soulmate, and this is mutual. This love is mutual, and there is communication. They're rushing to talk with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Lord of Air energy, then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Lord of Fire energy. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. Gemini, your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. So if you want to achieve anything in your life, you need a practical plan. This is the message. Plan it and execute it. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.